When do I know I'm Spider-Man?
You won't. That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.